Welcome to my channel. In this video we are seeing fastest way to learn coding and actually get a job in 30 days. If you're new in my channel, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Zero to hero in 30 days. Want to learn coding fast and land your dream job? Here's the fastest way to do it in just 30 days. Step 1. Choose a high-demand programming language like Python or JavaScript. Focus on one language to maximize your learning speed. Step 2. Use top resources like Codecademy, Free Bootcamp, and YouTube tutorials. Dedicate at least 4 hours a day to hands-on practice. Step 3. Build a portfolio of projects to showcase your skills. Work on real-world projects like web apps, games, or data analysis tools. Step 4. Network with professionals in the industry. Attend meetups, join online forums, and connect with others on LinkedIn. Follow this 30-day. Build your resume and apply in company. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.